Good day, everyone. Learn how to create contacts group in Outlook, and it will be the easiest tutorial to create contacts group. So we can do that. So I'll open the Outlook right here, and at the left hand side you will have a lot of options like the calendar, people, groups, to do. So when we click on people, you have the contacts and you want to add those, right? So here just below the people you will find the group, and we will click on that, and at the top right corner, left right corner, you will find new group. So we will need to click on new group, and we can mention the name like test group 2, and you can mention the description, and you can simply create, and it will not take much time. The moment you do that, it will ask you to add members. So if you have certain area, and if you have contacts by one, you can search it, and you can also drag it to the group as well. So you can search like this, and you can simply add it. If you do not want to do that, you can simply click on not now. Alright, so here you can see the test group has been created. So when we click on members, you will find the members right there, and you can simply find the edit group and add members. The moment you do that, again you will find the same screen, and through here you can add the contacts, and you can send them the email whenever you want to. Alright, so this is how you can create contacts group in Outlook, and I hope you have find this tutorial short and helpful. And if yes, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.